This is Bunker. I am about to show you Bunker's portfolio. This is a character I made when the class was making characters from books we read. This is a landform I made when the class was making landforms out of letters. This is a world that we all made with a little book at the bottom. This is a picture that I made of myself. Half of me is printed, half of me is drawn by me. This is a poem and picture of me. The picture is made out of construction paper ripped by me. What I liked about second grade is all the presentations we've done and all the things that I learned and all these really fun stuff. My favorite subjects are math and science. I'm really looking up to third grade in this happy year. Bye bye. Adios muchachos. Bye.